Hello everyone. This is a step-by-step guide on how to open the OnePlus Nord N200 5G mobile phone. At first, need proper tools to open the device, which are listed in the description. Next, turn off the phone and eject the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To separate the back cover, gently heat the edges until the adhesive softens. We are using a heating pad for this process. Place the back cover side on the heating pad. Select the mobile phone heating option and leave it until the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to loosen the adhesive. Once heating is complete, use a suction cup to create a small gap between the frame and the back cover. To make the process easier, use the suction cup near the bottom edge of the back cover. Next, insert a plastic carpet tool or similar tool to gently cut through the adhesive around the edges. This process will take time and needs patience. Next, gently separate the back cover from the phone's body. Next, remove the mid frame by undoing 17 screws from the top and bottom. Next, use a plastic carpet tool to create a gap and begin separating the back cover frame. Work gently around the edges to release the plastic clips and then pull the mid frame. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, disconnect the fingerprint plug to release the mid frame from the body.